God is going to move a generation, He's not going to move a generation as individuals. He's going to move them as a people.
Let me tell you and tell you very well. You see, the initial time of taking charge over a place will not come easy. It will not come without a battle. I don't know if you have ever seen a plane trying to take off before. Initially there will be boo, 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 boo. Then it will come to a place after overcoming, it gets to a place that is the place of rest.
The Father gave Jesus 12. He lost none except the son of perdition. If we are not complete, we will get blessings individually, but we cannot move the revival, because the revival will never be about a man. It's going to be about a people.
We want to see